So you noticed the title, right? Rebounding habits you repeat daily to destroy disease. That's a bold statement, isn't it? Yeah. Stay with me. Today is the end of my 90 days journey of rebounding, and I want to tell you a story, so please stay to the end, all right? But I want to show you some of the steps that I've been doing for the last 90 days. So let's get started. Now, some days I only have 2 minutes, and I start with a health bounce. Pushing down on the mat, not lifting up. I'm engaging my core, keeping it tight, like if somebody would hit you in the stomach, it's very tight. And relax the shoulders. You're standing up straight. And I would start with 1 minute, 2 minutes. And then after that, I would go to other steps. Now, if I only had time for 2 minutes, that's all I would do, would be the health bounce. Some days I had 15 to 20 minutes. All right? So, warming up. Now, push a little bit harder. And breathe in and out. Again. Good. All right, so we're going to just start with the basic bounce. Now, most of these steps I learned from Michelle Breeler, fantastic instructor, one of the best. I've probably watched over 100 videos of her on her channel. All right, let's go. Basic bounce. Lifting off the mat just a little bit. That's your basic bounce. You can just do the feet if you want. If you have a stability bar and hang on to the bar, that's fine. Or you can move your arms. You can also just do the basic bounce for 2 minutes a day. Now we're going to go to heel digs. You can do heel digs to the front, or you can do the corners. Different variety. Now switch to scissors. Double bounce and switch. Another variety to this is single, single, double. Doubles and singles. Pop the legs up. Good. Front to back, double front, double back. All right, good. All right, let's slow it down. Shake side to side for a second. Now, let's do some squats. Working on the lower body, pushing the hips back. Ready? Push. Squat. Squeeze as you come up. Working all 638 muscles in your body. Push the hips back and squeeze as you're coming up. Now go down and pulse. Now up and down. Working those bigger muscles. Anytime you want to add weights, dumbbells to your workout, that will just boost your metabolism, strengthen, tone, sculpt, and pulse. You feel it? Now, if you have knee problems, you might want to skip this one. All right, walk it out. Let's just walk. Go to knees up. Bring the knees up. Really engage that core. Now out of bounds. Now, keep going. Just no bounce. Just go. Knees up. High knees. High as you can. And let's go to a sprint. You're still standing up straight. Let's go. Step side to side. Get ready for the next one. Half jack to full jumping jacks. Let's go. Half. Anytime you need water, feel free to stop. Get yourself some water, stay hydrated. Push down, really push. Out and in, half jack. Let's go to full jack. Ready? I have to remind myself, engage that core. We don't want to have any back problems. To twist. You know it's my favorite, right? You've been following me a while. Keep going. All right, next one. The heel toe. See if I have enough music. Heel toe. One leg. Bounce on the other leg. We do about, I would say 20 of those. Switch. And a fun one, the hopscotch. 2 and 1. Remember the hopscotch with chalk on the ground? 1, 2, alternating. left and right. You can put your hands on your hips to try it if this is your first time. Okay, good. Now we have a little bonus. Bonus is the one leg hop. Try not to lean too much. Switch legs. One side is always going to be a little bit easier or a little bit harder, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed. So one time I was videoing and I fell off. I cut that out of the video. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay. Okay, shake it out. Now, if you'd like to repeat all of these and get a really good workout, feel free to do that. But remember, I told you I wanted you to stay till the end because I want to share with you how rebounding can destroy a disease. So just breathe for a minute. Step off and get some water if you need it. I'm going to get a drink of water and I'm going to share with you. Okay, let me bring this a little bit closer. Okay, so you can see me better. Now, 5 years ago, I want to tell you, I ended up with excruciating facial pain on the left side of my face. It's known as trigeminal neuralgia. It is the worst pain known to mankind. Now, women, if you've had a baby, you know how difficult that birthing was, right? Now, trigeminal neuralgia is worse than that. And there's no cure for it. They call it the suicide disease. So I would get a little bit of relief taking medications. Try this, try that. I continue to work. Then, 2 years ago, I said, you know what? I'm so tired of being on a medication. I do not want to be on medication anymore. So I bought a rebounder. I didn't really do my research. Be sure to do your research. I started out with a Fit Bounce Pro. I like that one, but I switched to the JumpSport, and the reason I did is because of the arched legs. You can do a lot more because it's a lot more sturdy. Now, I was able, by the way, I had scans, I had MRIs, I had all this done to me. They couldn't find anything wrong. So I began praying. Lord, what is it? What is it? What is it? Well, come to find out, I was writing my book, and I was about to release my book on my journey of healing after my daughter was murdered. It's been 18 years since she was murdered, but I didn't release my book until 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago now. But it finally got uploaded to Amazon and Barnes & Noble. But the Lord had revealed to me there was still some areas in my life that was causing me pain. So I prayed. I said, God, I don't want to take medication anymore. So I began using the rebounder. And I can tell you today, I am pain-free, no medication, and I give all honor and glory to God for showing me that exercise is very beneficial to if you have pain in your body. Yes, it might hurt at first. It might hurt, like it did at me. but I started out with that health bounce. So I just wanted to share with you my 90-day journey, because let me tell you, I haven't lost weight. Well, I have lost 3 pounds, but I am pain-free. I also have gained a little bit of muscle. You can't see it. I'm getting there. A little bit of definition, because if you know Michelle Breeler, she says lift heavy. So I'm starting to do that. And I just want to also say that with consistency, I was consistent every day. Sometimes I would get up a little bit early and bounce. Most of the time it was later in the evening. But so many benefits. Cellular health, digestion, elimination, your lymphatic system. Let me tell you, rebounding stimulates the lymphatic system. I hope you can see me good. It stimulates the lymphatic system. It's like self-cleaning those cells in your body. It sucks out the toxins, the poisons, the bacteria, the germs, the disease. It sucks it out of your body as you go up and down on the rebounder. Listen to this. Did you know that your lymphatic system won't move unless you move? And if you wait 24 hours without moving, it can start the dying process in your body. Yes, I'm not a doctor, but I've been reading lots of articles from doctors who say that. Now, it has also cleared up my sinuses. Every morning I would be stuffed up. I wouldn't be able to sleep good. I am now sleeping about 7 hours, which is great. And my sinuses have cleared up, and I'm not sneezing as much as I have been doing in years past. Let me see. Besides pain relief, let's see what else is good. Oh, so many benefits. There's over 200 benefits to rebounding. I don't have time to go into all of them. That was just a few of them. But thank you for allowing me to share my story. All right? And we will see you next time. And don't forget, share this with someone who, especially women over 50 who need to get back into exercise with low impact mini trampoline rebounding exercises. All right? So hit the like, subscribe, comment below. Maybe you're dealing with something and you need some prayer. Reach out to me. All right. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.